Achoo! Alright, here. Let's play a little game of who was sneezing all last night and woke us up. Wasn't me. Well, apparently it wasn't me. It wasn't me. Oh, it wasn't me either. Yes, it was. You're the last one to say so, and you're the one who always messes things up. Come on, we all know. Come back in. Come on, come in.
Hi, fool done. They just went back in their sheds.
Hey! I mean, come on. My sneeze wasn't that bad. Oh, hey there, Percy. Hello, Oliver. Oh, achoo! 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 My eaters have exploded. Oh well. Later, Percy had to go to the docks. Percy went to go say good morning to the docks manager. Good morning, docks manager. Oh, hello, Percy. Cheer! Oh. Hello, puppies. Shoo! Hello, James. Oh, my shiny red coat. Oh. Achoo! Achoo! Beep, beep, beep. Achoo! Achoo! Hooray! Beep! The beautiful sun. Achoo! And that's why you should never get the sniffles, okay?
Oh, Thomas, I would never ever want to get sick.
Okay, good. Achoo! Oh no, it's happened! And then they all died. The end. Achoo!